Hello everyone. As you all know, my name is Siyabonga Forex Lover. I decided to create this short video because of the request from my WhatsApp group where I share my indicators, systems, PDF. Mostly I want to focus more on PDFs now so that people can perhaps learn on their own. So this short video will show you how to install a trading robot. So here I have prepared a PWR robot by this guy, John Gatti. So now what you do, you get this in a zipped file format. What you have to do, you have to copy it from your phone. If you have it on your phone, copy it to your computer. Then from your computer to a folder of some sort. Then from there, you have to unzip it using the unzipping software. I already have an unzipping software, which is WinRAR, I believe, then installed on this computer. And then from there, you click once on the file that you want to unzip, right click with this software, then extract here. Then you have this vaccine. Then after extracting, you are gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna demonstrate using this demo account of Just Forex. So I just copied the file, then open my Metatrader 4. After opening my Metatrader 4, I'm gonna go File, open Data folder. It's gonna open now automatically. Let's give it a minute, and then now it's opened. There are many folders here. The only one we are interested in is the one called MQL4. Open the MQL4 folder. Then after opening the MQL4 folder, we want to go to the experts, which is aka robots folder. From the robots folder, we open it. Then after opening the robots folder, we're gonna paste our PWR software there. And then we're gonna come back to our MT4. Then we open this panel here on the side. That's gonna show us the expert advisors there at the bottom. Right click, you're gonna refresh it, or else you can close and reopen your MT4. For me, I like just to refresh it. Then after refresh it, then the first thing, if you never used any robot, before I show you how to run this robot on your chart. The first thing that you have to do, if you never used any robot in your Metatrader 4, you're gonna have to come to Tools, Options. Then from Options, it might be here from you under Server or even Events, I don't know. But what you have to do, locate Expert Advisors. On Expert Advisors, make sure that it's saying allow automated trading, and allow this one, tick it. It's gonna be unticked. Most likely this will be unticked. You tick allow automated trading, then it's gonna tick those, untick those if you like. I like to keep them unticked. Then click allow DDL imports, and then you can allow this, the second one as well. Just click OK. If you do not follow this step I just show you now, the robot will not run on your computer. Then what we do, we're just gonna drag and drop PWR robot, and then if there's something that you want to change, you're gonna go to inputs, things like lot size. You can change lot size 0.01. You can change things like TP to 3 pips to 50 pips. Things like stop loss, if this robot does have stop loss, you can modify a whole lot of settings here. Just gonna click OK. Then it's gonna smile there. It must smile there at the top right corner. Where is my thingy? It's here, my thing. I want to show you where it exactly does. It has to smile. You see, it have to smile there. And write John Gatti, you are trading what, and it's gonna write here poverty killer vaccine, whatever is whatever. When the market is open, it's gonna display some information on this. I believe this pink square. That's all, my friends. I hope you will have understanding on how to install trading robots. Any robot is gonna be installed the same way that I just showed you now. The only difference, when you want to install a robot on MT5, it's quite similar steps but a bit different, and it's confusing to many people. But if you have any other requests, let me know. I'll create a video and show you exactly how does it work. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next video.